Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the essentials ready. Charge the AirPods Pro 3 above 50% and the case to at least 20% because firmware installs need steady power. Make sure your iPhone is paired, unlocked, and sitting next to the closed case. Bluetooth must stay active. Also connect the phone to stable Wi-Fi and plug it into mains. This prevents interruptions. Once done, leave the AirPods in the case with the lid closed and the iPhone awake so the automatic update handshake can begin. You now trigger the update by creating the right conditions. Keep the AirPods sealed in their case and hold them within a few inches of the unlocked iPhone for 15-30 minutes because updates often push automatically. To check progress, open Settings right arrow General right arrow About and tap your AirPods to view the firmware number. Note it before and after. If nothing happens, restart the iPhone, reconnect Bluetooth, then reclose the case. This often prompts the device to AirPods handshake to retry. You finish by verifying the firmware. Open Settings right arrow General right arrow About and confirm the new build number. That tells you the update succeeded. If it didn't change, reset the AirPods by holding the Case Setup button for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and repair. This clears stuck installs. If problems persist, try updating using another iPhone that's on the latest iOS, because device-side issues can block updates. Contact Apple support only if all else fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.